A single headboard and some cushions. Got some pillows. These are nice. It's got a raised relief. Nice. Size bike. What's that? Hydro tools. Interesting. Okay. Nice. More paintings. Nice. Hello.
Yes. Yeah.
Some more paintings. This is a nice frame. Look at this. Man. This is actually, you can see it's like multi-dimensional here. It's recessed. Weird. $5, that's a steal. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. $2.
Yes.
Another fish. Oh wow. I like it. What's this? Oh, it comes out. It's a fishing thing. Huh, interesting. I like the fish. Some dive tanks, but I don't think they're for sale. Okay. Look at this beautiful crystal. Look at this little cookie tray. Nice. How much is your crystal?
Okay, the woman for the crystal is right there with the glasses on.
Okay. How much is your crystal? How much do I want to give you? I don't know. I haven't thought that deep into it. I like your orange juice picture. It's heavy too.
This seat, if you look over here.
Ah, boxes. I
This is
love
what's in the box. Now, the little white ones are what's in the box.
Oh, okay.
And it's what it is.
Oh, okay. You selling this box here too?
That doesn't match.
Oh, okay.
That's hers.
Oh, okay.
This is a huge set of all that.
Wow. So these basically what's inside here. That's what's inside here. That's
Right.
okay.
If you read, there's 12 coffee cups, 12 saucers, 7 dessert glasses. There's 8 of these little, I call them wine glasses. I don't know.
Yeah. So how much is it? I'm just curious.
Like I said, make me an offer.
I'd love to be drinking beer out of this one.
Yeah, and I don't know how many of those are in there. Read on that tab.
I don't think it's going to let
He won't let it go because of the
Set-
If you want to buy separately,
clean and wipe it clean and everything.
Okay. All right. Let me think about it. I mean, it's a great deal. I mean, I'll try to. Oh yeah.
Oh, really?
I just love the look of this. Nice frosted glass with some beer in there. Oh, that would be sweet. Okay, let me think about it. This is nice. Books 10
How much
cents.
for your fan, Hillary, the red fan?
$3.
Did you take 2 for it?
Yeah. It's metal.
Does this fit your phone?
I need one for cameraman.
Oh,
That's
this
what
one?
I'm gonna put in it.
Wireless fish finder?
Yeah.
Any cell phones? Maybe for sale?
$60.
Okay, that was mine. That's pretty cool.
This fish finder?
Just gonna say, wait a minute.
And it was like $250, $300 when I bought it.
Oh, I bet.
No cell phones. I had little girls, so all the old cell phones go to them.
And it goes to your cell phone.
Right. Okay. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Let me think about it. It's not on my hit list, but it's definitely awesome. That's for sure. I love your little tiny saw here.
I know.
Yeah, it's cute.
It used to go with my old decor.
Did you guys paint this?
No, I got it at a craft show.
Oh, okay, nice.
But
This is beautiful.
that was always- I used
Isn't that
to
kind of
paint
cool?
this
Look at that.
my little granny's girl and the picture grandkids.
Pretty cool. Yeah, it's got magnets on the back because my refrigerator.
So would you do two on this and one on this?
Sure.
Get that.
Ooh, what's all this stuff here? Ooh. What are these, camera mounts? No.
But
Oh, I see.
For your curtains.
Oh, curtains. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Oh.
Thank you. Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
Wow, did you see the sewing machine here? It's a nice one.
Yeah,
How much is your bicycle?
that's mine.
and how much? She has 50 on it.
Is there anything wrong with it?
Well, the tires have no air, but
Well-
other than that, that's why we were trying to pump up the tires to ride
Brought
it
that
around if you
home
wanted to.
from Illinois. What do you got there, Ben?
One is 25 cents, right?
I don't know, what do you put on the light bulbs?
That's what it says here, yeah. 25 cents.
On the blue ticket?
Yeah. It does.
Yeah, if it's blue, yes.
So is any of them 25 cents?
Or there's a whole, yeah, there's big boxes that are together.
Yes, I got all marked.
Try to see if you find that adapter.
I mean, this box
What's
says
it say on
50
top?
cents.
Read it. Yes, 50 cents.
The box.
The whole box.
Okay.
Let's see if this fits inside here. It does fit inside
Do you
there.
guys have old cell phones? Is
No,
that
we don't.
okay?
I have little girls and they all get all the old cell phones.
Okay. So that would be $2.
And they get destroyed.
So on the bottom right.
How do these things work, huh?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, this is like my pet comes with it. See, my pet is the same. It's on.
Is this thing a uninterruptible power supply or is it just a power strip? Oh, okay.
So I guess I have $2 here because I counted this, so I feel.
Oh, you don't want these? Okay, so 25, 50, 75.
I don't know. I mean, I kind of worked it out. This 50.
Oh, it's a surge suppressor. It's interesting. This is interesting. It's just this. Oh, that's awesome. Where'd you get those? Oh, are you making a pile there?
It's the extension to this, huh? So that one has just the numbers.
Oh,
That's broken. That's
I'll bring it over here for you.
you're just buying one?
Yes,
Would you take $2 on this?
Soldering kit.
What's he got? He's got 5 on it.
He's got 5, but would you take 2?
I think I said yeah.
Okay. All right, so I got this for 2, and then I got these for they're 50 cents each, so that makes $4.
Wait! What about my dishes?
Well, I'm thinking about it. I'm also thinking about your bike.
What about my bike?
I'm thinking about it, and I'm also thinking about this box of CDs I haven't seen yet.
Oh.
What kind?
How much are you paying?
What did you have on those pillows?
I didn't mark them, so whatever you.
Can I have that for $1?
Yeah.
Do you want the whole box, or you want to know how much each CD is?
Like the whole box.
How about a buck piece?
How much did you do?
Too much?
I don't know.
Dollar piece?
There's Kid Rock in there. What else you see in there? Anything good?
Mariah Carey to McGraw.
All right. So that's a little like little
Here's more.
soft country.
Is it?
Yeah.
And here's more.
Oh, didn't see that one.
It's mainly probably all country.
That's all right.
Oh, it's a
Country. How much are they?
I don't know. Like $5 for all of them?
Wow.
Can you tell we're just trying to get rid of stuff?
Yeah.
It's got to go.
Somebody say that?
No, I got a little pile going.
Yeah. Cool.
I'm up to $4. That's my $4 pile.
Okay.
Actually, I'm thinking about that.
She also had a pie, and I grabbed some from her pie.
Can
And
you
wanted to buy again?
can you ask for 30 for this?
And then $4
All it is that thing is slidden off there. It just needs to be pushed back.
You want?
For 30, yeah. I mean, what do you think? I mean, you're an expert.
Yeah, I mean, you have somebody for it? Your daughter or something?
Maybe. I mean,
$1 each.
I mean, it is a one more guy.
no. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's got good features because it's got double
Suspension. Yeah.
But it's,
And it's got a nice seat.
yeah.
So the only thing I'm worried about is that the shifter doesn't look like it works. That's my problem. Well, that.
It is a little bit suspicious.
You can back it up and look at it.
Yeah.
We had it up here trying to fill the air in the tires.
I see. The only other thing is it looks like a dog was chewing on this.
That might have been in the move. It came from Illinois.
Oh, nice.
So it may have just got. I don't have a dog, but my dog's like.
Her dog wouldn't chew
My
that.
dog's like 4, he's like this
4
big.
pounds.
Yeah, he's.
Okay.
Oh, he's going over to look at mine.
He wants to know if you're selling your bikes over there too.
No.
Oh,
No.
Those aren't for sale.
Over there is a bedroom set and that beautiful bar.
Oh, okay. Let's see. How could I do this?
The front is pretty hard shifting. The rear is trying not to shift.
So you're recommending me hold off?
Yeah, it is. They're very hard.
Okay. Well, I can hold off though. Let me think about it then. Appreciate you taking the time to analyze it for me. Do you have change of a 10?
Do you have change for 10?
I got $4, so I need $6 change, please. It's a $20 bike.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, you think so? Oh, okay. If you want it, I'll make the offer.
Here's the $6.
Right here.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm still shopping too, so I'm still thinking about your glasses. Hold on, I gotta really think about them. That's a lot of glasses. All right, let me put this in your car because I can't carry this stuff at the same time. I'll be back. Oh, I gotta check out the other side too. Get some nice other plastic. They look wood. 4 for $10. Wow, what a deal. Little kids bike, $10. $10. Good deal. $5 for this beautiful table. Nice wood too. It's just been painted. That's a problem. It's painted brown. This is the same table, not unpainted. See, this is what it should look like.
You scored, man. Those everything are good.
Yeah, I know.
The only thing I don't like
Already got one.
is the batteries are changing the batteries in my pad. I have to with the pad.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I hear you. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Hey, look at this post digger here. Oh, that's your pile?
No, that's my pile.
Oh, you got a nice pile there.
I already grabbed this.
You're grabbing all the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. These little Hawaiian totem pole things. This is kind of cool. $2? Yeah. All right, I'll try.
Hey, Melissa? You said 7?
Yeah, on the comforter. Yeah.
Well, this is a water timer. Hold on. I can catch. Gilmore. Supplementals. I like this fish. It's gonna be like a. Oh, I like it, but do I really need it? I don't. That's the darn thing. Sudoku. Alright, everyone's buying everything. What is this? Oh, I love it. See, this is the stuff that's like on an auction. This would go really good. It's only $2. If I get it for $1, you can sell this for like. Well, the problem is they probably sell these in like $8, $9.
That is something different, yeah. You should get it.
But I mean, like looking at that and then looking at this. You see? See, Alex? Like this.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. I wish there was more of these. You know, I wish. I gotta think about it though. It's awesome, but what is this? It spins. So I'm still looking over here. Oh, I have to build another pile here. What is this? What? How dare they price it at that price? I mean, I gotta buy it now. Terrible. I can't even quibble at that price. Oh, you know what? I didn't even look at these picture frames. Oh my gosh, don't do this to me. Don't do it. Don't do it. I can write a song. I'll call it Don't Do It. Silent Night. Yeah, here we go. Whatever you do, don't pay the ferryman. Don't even fix it. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see. I'm working this. What else am I gonna done? I see a remote control on the floor. Here. Oh! This. Here. There. Toshiba. What's this? Light bulbs. Oh my god! What's in this box? Ooh, oh, it's a dishwasher rack. What is this? It's a big coat.
That was $2.
Okay.
Just shovels.
Yeah.
This is a gigaport though. 16-port gigaport switch. This I can buy. This. Look what's in this. This may sound low, but would you go $1 for both of these?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, I just got a date. I know you gave me $1, so it should be that day. You guys should. I was thinking about that bike, but I got $20 on my mind. It sounds kind of low, I know. Yeah.
But she's.
My friend is he's convincing me it's a little more work than what I am cut out for.
Yeah.
But he's saying for $20,
Price, yeah.
he'll help me.
Fix it.
Yeah. That is. Okay. I'll talk to her.
Are you recording?
Well, yeah, but I'll edit out most.
Did you get 50 cents for this?
I'm still thinking about it. How about on your bike $20?
Take it.
Okay. Alice, did you want that?
Yeah.
The bike for 20?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's
You can have it?
Yeah, do it. I don't want to take it. They going back to Illinois.
okay. Sounds good. Okay, and then a little step ladder, lamp. Oh, $3.
Yeah. There you go, there's the receipt.
Sweet. Is it alligator?
Hmm?
Is it alligator?
I don't know. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
I think it's better, isn't it? Okay.
Oh, headphones.
Really
Hmm.
great.
Oh, here we go. Oh, they got a little flat tire here. Yeah, darn it. For $5 though, that's a steal. This is a steal for $5. Just as a tire off it.
I got rid of like 6 of them yesterday.
James Bond, the movie themes. Wow.
Guys, did you see anything? Just make an offer.
Goldfinger. Diamonds all forever. Live and let die. Nobody does it better. For your eyes only. The man with the golden gun. A view to a kill. We're an all-time high. That's actually a good CD. I can hum them all. La 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 la. Roy Orbison, nice. ZZ Top. Okay. Okay. Let me think about it. $5. Here's some kind of a gear shifter, brake, something.
Yeah, it looks more like for a car, like
a motorcycle or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is inside.
Good deal. What is this?
This is our traveling tour.
Portable
All over
charger.
the US.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, if it's 25 cents, I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah.
How much do you want?
How you doing, man?
There's a big thing of coaxial cable. I mean, not coaxial cable, of Cat 6. How much are your CDs?
25 cents.
Golly. ZZ Top, I see. I already have this album. This is a great album. How much are your Blu-ray DVDs? 50 cents. Christmas Vacation.
Take every single one for $20.
Wow. What a deal.
Sure.
Fantastic. Fantastic. I'm looking at the jewelry here. I thought that was gold for a second. It's probably micro gold leaf. Okay, I got some books.
It projects a monster picture. They're like 40 grand, yeah.
It's a lens?
No, it's a projector right here's another piece.
Oh. Oh, sweet. So that's the lens, and this is the projector.
That's not bad, That's a good deal on that, let me tell you.
How old is it?
I don't know, yeah, I know when they were new, they were like 41, 42.
I like how it has the remote control, too.
Yeah, 42,000. There's another remote in the back of it also. Looks like it's the same one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? $400 takes it out of there. Bang.
Oh, that's amazing. That's
I'm sure it works to come out of it.
you never see stuff like this at garage sales.
How do you
connect this though? You need to
It's got an F225. I don't know.
So this would be a recorder, right? You're recording like a rock band on the road?
Like you could for big green screens behind the stages and stuff.
Because this says Christie Digital Systems.
Yeah.
But you're saying this is a projector or a recorder?
Projector.
Okay.
okay. That's some.
It's pretty awesome. I like how it has number 4 on it.
Huh. Yeah, you can make a movie theater out of that.
Yeah, it's a cheap price.
Big one.
Look one.
It's nice.
Check it out. Look it up on your phone. It's
Yeah.
Roadster X6.
Okay. Oh, Dior. What's this? Dior Bronze. Spray Auto Bronzant Golden Self Tanner. Oh, nice. Crockpot. It's glass lid, not plastic, which is good. Oh, is it stainless steel? Yes, it is stainless steel. Nice. Look at that. Now this is a nice steel here. It's being China, but it's still okay. It's glass. This is good. It's Tupperware. Another crock pot. Hey, crock pots. Glass.
Yeah, I'm looking for another one of those.
There's one there too.
Projection of the round ones.
Yeah. Lemon cup. What's this? Wow. You can squeeze your lemons. The recipe box. Here's a salad tosser. Remember? Coffee machine. What's this? A pizza oven. Nice. Presto. It spins the pizza and heats it. Oh, look at these old speakers. Nice couch. Oh, let's take a look at this. This couch is nice. It's kind of suede. It's still a nice box. At the beach, this would be good at the foot of a bed. Put some blankets and towels. Nice. What we got here? Ooh, I see something that's pulling my attention over to these mufflers. Wow. Let's see. Is there any heavy metal in this, like platinum and palladium? Is this thing? Harley Davidson exhaust systems. Now this is expensive. How much is your mufflers? How much? $20? Oh, this is a sewing. Oh, I see. It's a flip top. Oh. Books. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. Were they taken off of an existing bike?
I don't know if they were in good condition, you know what I mean? They're Harley Davidson.
I see that.
They look pretty clean, you know? $10 can't beat that, I'm telling you.
Oh, it's. Let me think about it. It's. Yeah, I hear you now. I hear you now. Ah, all right, let me think about it. It's a great deal. It's a great deal. Wow. What do we got over here? Ooh. Ooh, what is in here? What is in here? What is that? Oh, that's like a surge antenna? Sweet. Balance low. It's a Shure Brothers Incorporated TV version diversity receiver. A powered receiver. That's nice. What's over here? Ah, this is good when you're with the scoop like bait fish. There we go. Oops. Interesting. What is this? Interesting. It's a magnifying glass. That's a stapler. Stapler. Dog necklace. Dog tags. Oh, wow. Interesting. I would need an engraver. Let's see here. Ooh, casters. Nice. Alright, this is from a different angle. Oh, that looks interesting.
For coffee. It's an old vintage that I don't even know how it works, but
It's like those metal
it's an
ones.
early percolator.
It's how the metal ones work.
These are some rods. I don't know what they are, but you got that router. And they got a little duster. This oil pan. Little flashlight in there. This. What is this? It's a speed air. Oh, is this like a little electric air compressor? Yeah, it's a little air pump. Okay, interesting, interesting. You can see from my old PC days, this is a Ethernet. What is this? These things are handy. I always use these things to hold tarps down. There's 2 of them in here. It's a good deal. Okay, I need 4 of them. Alright. Also, we got it's a nice table. It's got some kind of. Thought these were extended leaves, but not. Okay. Oh, we got some cassettes. Let's see what's that one. Bobby Land BB King, nice. We got more cassettes. Woo-hoo-hoo. This brings back the 70s. Alright, this big microwave. Nice. Nice. You got a computer. Here we got, looks like a TV or something. What is this device here?
Hey Dan, what is this thing? No.
Oh, okay. So it's like a projector. Okay, so if you need to look at stuff. Okay. Interesting, interesting. Okay. What's in here? Got some monitors. This is interesting. I always use monitors. Let's see these. One's a Samsung, one's an HP. It's got an Ethernet port, coaxial, and some USBs. One HDMI. In fact, this one looks like a full computer. Could be mistaken. That's just a monitor. This looks like a computer. This looks like an all-in-one computer for some reason. It's got a CD, DVD. How much are your monitors?
Hey, Dad, we wanted the monitors.
Alright, I'll go 5 on this.
Okay,
Who will I pay the money to?
I'll take that.
Ah! That's the right answer. I love your puppy. What a cutie. What a cutie. Love him. I still love this, but... Alrighty. Are you the traitor? Are you the traitor? What about here? Got some DVDs. How much are your DVDs?
Where are they at? Which box?
Oh, right here, these two. Okay. How much is your box of crafting over here?
There's prices on the stuff she sent.
Oh, okay.
Unlisted at any.
This is fantastic. Jewelry making stuff. Nice. I like this tool. It's nice too. Oh, what is this?
50 cents on the DVDs.
Okay.
All right.
These are really good. Make chains and I love all this stuff. This is 10 cents each or something for? Wow. Wow. See all this crafting stuff? That's amazing.
Let's play some tennis with the dogs, huh?
Yeah. They're not rechargeable though, that's the only thing. Alex, you see this? This is awesome. This is a old-fashioned candle-heated teapot.
Teapot?
Yeah. You put a candle in there, you light it, and you put your tea bags and your water in here.
This is pretty cool. Well, keep it warm.
You put your candle or something down in there, and it'll keep it warm or heat it up. And you put your bags in there.
Yeah. It's interesting, but yeah.
Wow, look at more crafting stuff. This is amazing. $20. Whoa, wow.
Price? Are you asking the price?
How much is it?
No, I said you wanting a price right here. Oh, what is that? Hold on, let me call it. What do I call it?
It's like a teapot. Here's one of those things that was seen on infomercials. It's got the magnet LED lights.
Oh, I got 3 of those.
Yeah, I know. Yep. Here, a collagen hydrogel gold mask. To open up those pores.
She said 15 on that.
Sorry.
How much is your coffee?
I don't know, but I like the smell of it. How much is your coffee? You have any more coffee for sale?
Yeah, right.
Actually, I do buy saffron and pomegranate. You have that for sale.
No, I wish.
Okay.
I do some stuff. I use all that good stuff.
I hear you.
No, very.
Those work great, right?
Yeah, but they're not lithium ion battery. They're just. Yeah, yeah. It would be nice. Got DVDs. Carpet. We got some pelicans. Oh, they're weighted down too. Christmas. Nice. Speakers.
So it's what? That's the best. No, Gene.
Kitchen stuff. It's got a lamp over here, a matching lamp over there. And got a blender there. I'm very kind of interested in, but I have one, so. Got here a coffee pot. A lot of aluminum and glass and plastic here. Hats. Okay, so we have hair blower.
Because we kept it outside last night.
Here's one of those cheese. We got some cheese in it too. Look at that.
Rain, forget it.
I knew it. I winded.
You know what you need?
Is everybody here?
Put some old English on it.
Ah. Works. Alright. Oh, this is cool. This is one of those strainers. It's actually pretty cool. Interesting.
I know. I tried to get you. But I forgot. I went to come
How much
back.
is your pot?
What? $1. $1.
$1?
And my cigarettes. Am I crazy?
It doesn't have micro mesh, but oh, it's worth it, I
That's
guess.
cute. Looks like it's brand new.
Yeah, it looks like it.
This is all from an estate sale.
Oh, okay.
Our friend passed away last Saturday.
Oh. Terrible. Venezia. Venezia. Oh, Venice. Okay, we can see it now. Look at that. Is this gold? Or brass? Oh, no. It's a snuff. It's a ball. It's a ball. Don't drop it. Alright. Let me think about this. It's a good deal. It's a good deal. I drink too much as it is. It's just. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let me think about that deal.
What's that?
What? This is just my camera.
Oh, that's yours.
Yeah.
I guess it has to be the right people. Couldn't be the left.
Oh, you're such a Canadian.
Oh.
Keyboard cube. Oh, it's like a little lights or extensions. Okay. This is a camera.
I've come to collect you.
Oh, I'm coming.